First, we have to start with a magic circle in this way and work on one chain to secure the magic circle. And into the magic circle, we have to work on a single crochet stitch. And into the single crochet, work on one more single crochet, consider it as one double crochet stitch. Into the magic circle, we have to work on two more double crochets. This is the second double crochet and third double crochet, and this is called one cluster of double crochet stitches. Work on one chain for the corner and again work on second cluster of 3 DC. We have worked first stitch, first double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet. This is the second cluster of 3 DC. Work on one chain for the second corner and work on third cluster, one double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet. This is the third cluster of 3 DC, and work on one chain for the corner and work on fourth cluster of 3 DC into the magic circle. 1, 2 and 3. One chain for the fourth corner. Now close the magic ring by pulling through the yarn. Now make a slip stitch into the starting double crochet stitch. Work on one chain and fasten off. Round 1 completed. Now insert the hook in any of the corner and join white yarn to the corner. You can work on with any other color as you wish. Into the same chain space, work on one single crochet. Okay, work on 2 chain for the corner space, and into the same chain space work on one single crochet again. This is the first corner of the second round. Okay, and into the next 3 double crochets, that means into the first cluster, into the first stitch, we have to work on one single crochet. Into the next stitch, work on one single crochet. Into the third stitch, work on one single crochet. Again we have reached to the second corner of the square. Work on one single crochet. Work on 2 chain for the space. Work on one single crochet into the same chain space. Now into the second cluster, into the first stitch, work on one single crochet into the first stitch. Work on one single crochet into the second stitch. Work on one single crochet into the third stitch. Now again we have reached to the third corner of the square. Work on one single crochet. Like this, we have to work on one single crochet, 2 chain, one single crochet. Like that we have to work till the end. After reaching to the end, make a slip stitch into the starting single crochet stitch. Add on one chain and fasten off. Now for round 3, I have taken red color yarn and joined into the corner of the second round with a slip stitch. Now work on 3 chain, consider it as 1 double crochet, and into the same chain space we have to work on 4 more double crochets. So far this is the second double crochet, third double crochet into the same chain space, fourth double crochet into the same chain space, and fifth double crochet into the same chain space. This is the first corner of the third round. Now into the first
this is the first corner
one
for
double
round
crochet.
3. Now till we reach next corner, we have to work
Into
on
the second, work on 1
double crochet in each of
double
the
crochet
every
into the
single
single
crochet
crochet.
stitch. So work on 1
Into the
double
next
crochet
single
into the
crochet
first
stitch,
single
work on 1
crochet.
double crochet stitch. Into the
Work
next
on 1
single crochet,
double
work on
crochet
1
into the
double
next.
crochet,
This is a second double crochet.
and into the next
Work on 1 double
single
crochet in the next. This is the third one.
Sorry, 1 double crochet stitch.
Work on
into
1
the
double
single
crochet into the next. Work on
and
fourth
again we
double
reached
crochet,
the second
that is.
corner.
Work on fifth double crochet into the
Work
next
on 5 double crochets
stitch.
into the second corner. 1.
So now
2,
we have reached to the second corner of the third round.
3.
Here we have to work on 5 double crochets.
4
Again.
And 5. Till we reach the next corner, we have to work on double crochets again into each of the single crochet. So far 1, work on 1 double crochet into the first stitch, work on second double crochet into the second stitch, work on third double crochet into the third stitch, work on fourth double crochet into the fourth stitch, work on fifth double crochet into the fifth stitch, like this. Okay, again into the corner, work on 5 double crochet, again 5 double crochet into the next 5 single crochet stitches, again corner 5 double crochet, again 5 double crochets into the 5 single crochet stitches. Work till the end. Now at last make a slip stitch into the starting 3 chain space, add on 1 chain and fasten off. Now for round 4 I have taken white color yarn. Now we have done 5 double crochets in the corner, right? Into the third stitch we have to join the white yarn with a chain. Now this is the corner, right? Work on 1 single crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet into the same chain space. Now into the next 4 stitches we have to work on single crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 single crochets in 4 stitches. Now into the next stitch, into the single crochet into the round 2, we have to work on 1 front post double crochet into the single crochet stitch. Okay, yarn over, pull through, you'll get 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first, yarn over, pull through the second, yarn over, pull through the third. We have to work on 1 front triple crochet, it's not a double crochet. Again into the next 4 stitches we have to work on 4 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4 till we reach the next middle double crochet stitch. Next corner we have to work on 1 single crochet, 2 chain for the space, into the same chain space work on 1 single crochet again, and into the next 4 double crochets we have to work on 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and into the next Into the next stitch we have to work on 1 treble crochet into the round 2. Into the single crochet we have to insert the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, now into the next 4 stitches we have to work on 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And into the corner stitch again we have to work on single crochet, 2 chain, single crochet. Like this we have to work till the end. Now at last make a slip stitch into the starting single crochet stitch. Add on 1 chain and fasten off. Now for round 5 I have taken yellow color yarn and joined to the round 4 into the corner with a chain. Work on 3 chain, consider it as 1 double crochet, and into the same chain space work on 4 more double crochet. Total of 5 double crochet into the 1 chain space, that is the corner part. This is the first corner. Now till you reach the next corner work on 1 double crochet in each single crochet stitches. Work on 1 double crochet into the first stitch. Work on 1 double crochet into the second stitch. Work on 1 double crochet into the third stitch. Work on 1 double crochet into the fourth stitch. Work on 1 double crochet into the fifth stitch. Work on 1 double crochet into the sixth stitch. Work on 1 double crochet into the seventh stitch. Work on 1 double crochet into the eighth stitch. Work on 1 double crochet into the ninth stitch. Work on 1 double crochet into the 10th stitch. Work on 1 double crochet into the 11th stitch. Total of 11 double crochets till you reach the other corner, second corner. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. And into the next corner, into the 2 chain space work on 5 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 and 5. And into the next, this is the second corner with 5 double crochet, and into the next 11 single crochets we have to work on 11 double crochets till we reach the third corner of the round. Like this work till the end. At last make a slip stitch into the starting 3 chain space. Work on 1 chain and fasten off. Now for round 6 I have taken white color yarn and joined to the corner of the previous round into the middle stitch of 5 double crochets. Okay, 1 2 and 3. Into the middle stitch of the 5 double crochet we have to join a white yarn with a chain, and into the same chain space work on 1 single crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet into the same chain space. This is the first corner of this round, and into the next 4 stitches we have to work on 4 single crochets. 1 2 3
and 4. And now into the next stitch. Okay, into the next stitch we have to work on 1 front treble crochet. Okay, like this. Now into the next 6 stitches we have to work on 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, like this. And into the next stitch we have to work on 1 front treble crochet stitch. Front postal treble crochet into the next stitch. Like this. Okay, and into the next 4 stitches we have to work on 4 single crochets again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now into the next corner we have to work on 1 single crochet, 2 chain and 1 single crochet into the same chain space. This is the third corner. Again work on 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, again into the next stitch, into the round 4 we have to work on 1 front postal double crochet, treble crochet, sorry. Work on 6 single crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have to work on 1 front treble crochet again. Now work on 4 single crochets again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again in the corner we have to work on 1 single crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet into the corner stitch, into the middle stitch. Like this. We have to work till the end in the same manner. So after completing, we have to make a slip stitch into the starting single crochet stitch. Add on 1 chain and fasten off. Like this we have to work till all the rows in the same manner by skipping 4 single crochets and working on 1 front treble crochets. Thank you so much for watching the video.